How to restore your missing power plans on Windows 11. What is up, everybody? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys a few methods to restore your default power plans. So what I'm talking about is if you just go ahead and right click on your Windows icon, you're going to have an option to open up your computer management. You just have to search for Control Panel. Now, once you find your Control Panel, just open it up. And from here, you'll find your power options. So let's just go ahead and click on the power options. So here I only have this balance plan, and if I show additional plans, this is a custom plan that I made. I could just delete this if I want, but there is no other plans. So if you want to restore them, you first have to type in this command right here on your PowerShell. So go ahead and copy this. All of this will be available on the description. So I'm just going to copy this, right click on Windows, and then open the terminal. Now it will open your PowerShell. You're going to have to paste this command and then hit enter. You most probably have to run this as administrator. Only then you can make these changes. So if I just go ahead and close this and minimize this, now you can go ahead and open your run or your Windows search and then type in powercfg.cpl, hit enter. It will bring up your power plan. So let me just go ahead and run this on my run dialog box. So it has brought this right here. What I'm going to do now is just close this out and then open my terminal. So type in PowerShell. Open your Windows PowerShell and then type in the same command, enter. And once you've done that, you could just go ahead and open your run dialog box, type in this, hit enter, and you'll most probably see the plan. Now, the next step you could do is just go ahead and open your command prompt, type in cmd, right click on it, and then run as administrator. Now just type in yes. You'll just have to go ahead and copy this and then paste it right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, right click on it and paste it, hit enter. Now, once that is done, you could just go ahead and close this out. And again, check if that's working. So I'm going to open my power plan, and as you can see here, the high performance plan has been active. I only had the balance plan, now I have the high performance as well. So if you want other options like high performance, balance, power saver, or even the ultimate performance, you can run these. So let me just show you guys for the ultimate performance or power saver. So let me just do one for the power saver. I'm going to copy this right here. You could either pause the video or you can just go ahead and find it on the description down below. I'll just open my command prompt again, run it as administrator. And once you run your command prompt as administrator, you can paste the text right here. So let me just go ahead and copy this again. I'm just going to copy this, go here, right click on it, and then paste it. Now, once that is done, you can just close this out and then check again. So let me open my run dialog box, type in powercfg.cpl, hit enter. And if you go to show additional plans, the power saver plan is here as well. So these are all of the things that you can do to restore your power plans. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.